This video will show you how nominal classifications can be used in Chaos Control Cloud. They are set up in System Data, and the process for doing this is shown in a separate video. Nominal classifications can be used as cost centers, so that nominal transactions can be assigned to different sites or departments, for instance. Alternatively, they can be used to group together nominal transactions under overarching headings, such as marketing costs or expenses, for example. We'll now take a look at the different parts of the system in which nominal classifications can be applied. The first of these is when viewing transaction details in the trial balance. We'll select the office supplies nominal and then use the filter button to turn off the date range on the right hand side of the screen. Once we've identified the transaction we want to assign to a nominal classification, we can green select it and then use the Actions button to assign the nominal classification. In this case, we'll use stationery and office supplies. Another way that nominal classifications can be used is when creating journals. We'll now click on the Journal button in the Account screen and create a new journal. In this instance, we'll create a journal between expense account and our Sterling bank account. We'll now fill in our debit and credit amounts, and we can use the drop downs at the end of each line to assign this transaction to a nominal classification. In this case, we'll use marketing. And we can now save our journal. Sales and purchase ledger entries can also be assigned to different nominal classifications. In the SP Ledger screen, we'll go into edit mode and create a new entry. First of all, we need to select our supplier. And as you can see, in our SP Ledger entry, we have a drop down where we can select a nominal classification of our choice. The rest of the entry is completed in the normal way. Using nominal account classifications in this way allows us in the P&L report to filter by nominal classification. We can then see our profit and loss entries that come under that classification. Thanks for watching.